and I welcome everyone to a great session by one of my favorites in water rejuvenation of India. I would like to introduce Ayappa Masaji sir. Ayappa Masaji sir has been working for over 30 years now in water rejuvenation, and his track record is good enough to give his introduction. So he has all kinds of states and central awards on his name. Need not go for the awards, but I'll give his track record. There are over 2.5 lakh borewells that he has already recharged. So when we talk about Marathwada area, or there are bore wells which are usually, there's no water in that for farming or for personal use. Ayappa sir single-handedly has recharged over 2.5 lakhs of bore wells across India, and over 900 lakes have been constructed by him, by one person. He himself has
Foundation, sir. Not
by
the
the
teamwork,
by
sir.
the
Foundation.
foundation, but yes, definitely, but with your thought process, with your idea. So over
Yeah.
900 lakes have been constructed by him already across India. Now that is a majestic figure for one person's thought process and the foundation to achieve more of it. I can go on and on and on, but it would be great that we start with the session, and I introduce Ayappa sir. Ayappa sir, please take over the session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go ahead, sir. You can start presenting. You can turn on your video.
Video or presentation? Which okay.
Sure. So I'll ask Avinash to play a video on Ayappa sir, and then I'll introduce Ayappa sir to talk about him. Avinash, go ahead. Please play the video.
Yes, sir. This is my childhood work. See. Thank you. I think is my life story, my work, everything is included in this video.
Amazing, amazing work, Ayappa sir. We can
Thank you.
at
Thank
three
you.
o'clock during your childhood. Today, people go and sleep at 3 o'clock.
No,
You,
3 kilometers I have to walk to bring drinking water, domestic.
oh
So
God,
domestic, no problem in my native place. Only problem with drinking water. That was summer big crisis. So what
right?
happened? No, in that stream, there people will constructed one well in a sand
Hmm.
bed, 4 feet dia, 20-22 feet. In that actually only 3 or 4 years small boy can go fetch the water. Sometimes I'll flower and come up and put on head and walk.
Okay.
That time of thinking, is there any solution for this water? If any solution is there, my education over, I got my problem solved, and my this one, my family set up, and my myself set up. Once you sustain it, then I leave my job, quit job, and come to this field. And that's what
Amazing.
to
So,
achieve my
sir,
growth.
2002, you quit the job, and
Yes, sir.
for 18 years, you've been doing this. What I would
What is?
request now is for Gautam to start the presentation right away,
Yeah,
and
please.
for you to present all your knowledge, share all your knowledge that you have with us.
Yeah.
Gautam, please start the presentation, and Ayappa sir, over to you.
Okay, okay. I'm starting.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So can I start? Hello.
Absolutely, Ayappa sir. Please go ahead. Please start.
Yes, sir. My name is Ayyappa Masagi. I am from representation from Water Literacy and Foundation and Rainwater Concept India Private Limited. Okay, we have two entities. Water Literacy Foundation is spreading the message. Rain is not a problem. Water is not a problem. Only problem is attitude. Rainwater Concept India. Water Literacy Foundation started in 2005, 5th September. You know, 5th September. What is the 5th September? The Teachers' Day, no? So it is also actually for education program. It's for farmers. That's what 5th September I started Water Literacy Foundation. Rainwater Concept India I started in August 15th, 2008. Gandhi actually given a freedom to us, sir. So my vision is to give water freedom to all. Water for all on the concept. I started in 2008 Rainwater Concept for companies. So two entities who are ready to pay tax, no, that project will go to ourselves actually divided, sir. So who intended to pay tax, that present the project will go to Rainwater Concept India Private Limited. Who don't not intended to pay tax, that project will go to Water Literacy Foundation. Hello, okay, sir. So I am a founder director of both the companies. Water Literacy Foundation vision is to make India water efficient nation. Rainwater Concept, this one is water freedom for all. This presentation is given to even Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Water Resource Management, and so many, even NIPM, big, this one I given this program, boss. So next, boss. Then I even NetCo also given the same presentation. Okay. Water Literacy Foundation activity is restoration of natural hydrological balance. What happened? What is the natural disorders? Natural restoration, natural hydrological balance means actually we have a four waters. Are you know four waters? One is subsurface water. Second one is subsoil water. Third one is deep soil water. Fourth one is groundwater. All the four waters are working each other. Once you got the groundwater, you're all forgotten about the recharging all the surface, subsurface, and subsoil water, deep soil water. That's what today only option is. All the four waters we lost was all the four waters. Only left over is rainwater and grey water. With these two, using these two, we are charging all the four, then only becoming self-sufficient. Then was sustainable water management. Okay, only recharging only not an answer. You have to use even uh, conservation boss. Savings also most important. That's what your sustainable water management. For example, boss, see in my farm, I have a plenty of water. This year, minimum 4 crore liter kept in the Mother Earth stomach. Even though in my borewells, I put a single phase pump, single phase. Then I put a one even 5 HP motor. So I am supposed to put a only 200 feet or 240 feet pipe. But there I put a 450 feet pipe. Idea is what happen if you put a 240 under there, people will draw more water. If more pipe under there, then they will draw only minimum water mass. That's what I put a all single two is single phase. When 5 actually put a 450 feet pipe was. Rainwater is the main this one. Rainwater is also seasonally available water, but grey water is available all the 24 hours. Grey water means I think if a grey water, people will think that it is a bad water. Grey water is not a bad water. Grey water is as good as a good water. Only constant is soap. How much soap are you going to use? Are you going to use whole bath time? No. Most of the water actually was only minimum negligible quantity of soap you are going to use. Here, see, I told you so soap is actually soap is this one, soap is nothing but a phosphate. What happened? This phosphate is absorbed by our neighboring plants. Here, I would like to tell you a real example. See, you have a coconut trees in urban areas. We have a coconut trees in our farm. See, in urban, have you seen anybody putting water? Any manure? Nothing doing here. Whereas in the farm, we are putting lot of manure, lot of water, even though rural coconut tree will yield you only 100 nuts per year. As to come to urban, nothing doing, but you ask any urbanite, the urban tree will give you more than 400 nuts. What is the reason behind? Reason behind is here the people are using soap, no actually soap. Lot of people are using soap. Soap is nothing but a phosphate. Here the rich phosphate is there. That is what this tree will yield you more. They're actually phosphate prices. Here my consent is you don't worry your soap or the soaps you can take care by your neighboring plant. Here my concept is every house, one grey water pit is the my concept. The same concept adapted in my Bangalore house in Amruthalli 1986. I put a grey water pit for using my all four houses grey water. 4 by 20 feet depth well I constructed 1986. Center of the road. Top I put a slab, stone slabs. Today boss, my bore. I put a bore in 2007. I got a water at 31 feet. So total bore depth is 100 feet. Today water at 29 feet. Within 5 minutes, all my four houses water tanks are going to fill. Now here, tell me the problem was. Where is the problem? Problem is not with the water, not with the rain. Only problem is attitude. In this mine locality, sir, I think I am only the one person done this. I think more and more people are getting benefit from my system. No one is done. No one is spent for single rupee for water harvesting loss. Rainwater, grey water, both I done in my house for. They are self-sufficient. So that's what, sir, I am asking now. So my plan is to start. India needs a water university. I want to start water university, sir. Focus on water skilling, reinventing our ancient wisdom. More than agriculture university, water is the front runner for all the universities and need your support to set up a water university. Next, sir. See here, sir. Everybody wants water, sir, but nobody wants to do recharge or conservation. This is the what happens when today wants water, but nobody wants to conserve the water, boss. What happened today? We're seeing only for drawing water from the mother earth stomach. Nobody is put back into mother earth stomach, sir. Today, mother earth starving, boss. So you see here, grandpa's well, see the rope. So 10, 12 feet water, getting water in my childhood. Father's well, see the rope. Grandstars well, see the rope, sir. So if community given me support, or if you harvest rainwater and grey water, you can grey water become self-sufficient. If you allow it to flow, you can face a drought or female should be ready for. If community given me support, I can, sir, bring all the people into the grand parcel. Already so many places I proved it with rainwater and grey water harvesting and recharging. Next, see here, sir. These people know actually if you take water by hand, the water become muddy. That is what they put directly onto the water, sir. This photo, sir, I don't want to see in my future in my vision. Next, boss. See here, once you carry your own water, then you will understand the value of every drop of water. Next, see here, circle of destruction, lack of water. If you go and ask in Panchayat people, no water, andre, what they will do, sir? They ask us to go for more and more depth borewells, more and more borewell, then dig deeper borewells, pipeline, this, that, then again they are putting more pressure on water resource. So this is the circle of destruction. Whether we get a water, we will get water or not. But for them, they want only money. That's what they are drilling more and more. Borers, this is the circle of destruction. Then you go for circle of solutions. The next. See here, circle of solution. What today I am telling, creating awareness, awareness, and speaking about the even all rainwater. Then transition awareness into action. Then I'm talking about
Sir,
rainwater.
little loud, please, sir.
So today, sir, I'm talking about rainwater, grey water harvesting and recharging and all. Then increasing the groundwater progressive bus day by day. Why I'm charging every day. That's what my this one is. Uncertain is common. Certain is there. For that uncertain, you have to keep this box container whenever, wherever, whatever falls up. So more and more you charge. What happen, boss? Every year progressively charging, boss. Today what happen? People are only drawing, but every day, every minute, I am put back into Mother Earth stomach here, sir. For example, see, you are in the swimming pool, full of your neck up to neck. So if you the thirst actually, direct even in the water, your thirst will not fulfill unless and until feed through water, Mother Earth stomach. Like that was whatever I'm doing. Mother is all the mouth of the earth we call, sir. All recharging sectors I call it as a Mother Earth stomach mouth. Through mouth, forcibly I'm charging and increase or charge the my mother fulfill the Mother Earth stomach. Next, sir. Are you audible? Audible? Is audible, no? Hello? Is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
See here.
Yes,
This
sir.
is our legacy, and now we have to restore it. So see, I think Chandragupta Maurya. I think heard about Chandragupta Maurya. He told that our countries are actually through the lake. People are taking 3 crops per year, sir. 3 crops every year. Today, all the lakes, because of community negligence, all the 40,000 lakes, 90% lakes have been encroached, sir. So because of encroach, today the people are even agriculture is crying today. Next. See, sir, this is my concept. If you want to certain rain, you all have to put whatever I mentioned in the presentation. No? If you've done this, you can do it, Andre, then you can get a certain rain. Today, my claim is, sir, uncertain is common, certain is rare. For that uncertain, you have to go all this concept, rainwater harvesting, grey water harvesting, lake-based agriculture, tree-based agriculture, cattle-based agriculture, or even Tadrupi Cardobas. So replica forest. So if you come to my farm, actually 22 acres farm I have actually in 6 years. Sir, today average rain has been increased. Then rain falling days are increased. Rain falling days. Now already I got in my farm 70 days rains already in this year. So my groundwater, everything is increased. So what happened? I in 500 acres actually I increased the water spread. Water spread area is in my areas in and around actually 500 acres. That's what today I'm getting a certain rain. If you want to get a certain rain, you have to adopt all these concepts. Whatever I this one, no? This concept and one more thing next, I am telling you the nationwide solution. No? If all this, if you go there, definitely boss will get a certain rain. How we are getting in our childhood. Next, see here, boss. Lake-based agriculture. I think already in introduction they told more than 900 days I constructed, boss. My this one is Karanirmisi, Varanasi to construct more and more lakes and chase the drought. This is my quotation. One lake, one village, or 1 hectare, one gunta lake. 1 hectare, one gunta. If you reserve for railroad authority, then you will become a self-sufficient bus, more than 2.5 lakhs. Why? I told you I'm charging all the four. Subsurface. Subsurface I'm doing actually bus, non-irrigation agriculture system, pit system, fence system, compartment bunding, patta bunding. These are all the charging. Subsurface. Subsoil means I'm putting a infiltration well or percolation tanks or chaukas. Through this, I'm charging the subsoil water. Third one is deep soil water. I'm charging through the borewells. Groundwater through borewells pass. So if you charge the pore water, then only becomes self-sufficient. If you do only surface water, only people are doing only surface water charging pass, it will nothing happen. If you charge all the pore, then only becomes self-sufficient. So if you I will survey this one. First, I'll survey the place. So I have 100 plus my own innovative technique. Permutation and combination, I'll design the solve your problem bus. One and the other will hit you. No question of failure in my project bus. My project, people are supporting even CSR, our community, big farmers are supporting us. I'm not expecting any money from the governments or or any funding agency, boss. So we are creating our own funds. That's what today more than 920 crores people are invested on me. Next, sir. See here my tree-based agriculture farm, no chemical. So our only tree is only this. So I am hardcore organic farmer, sir. I am using here cow urine and human urine. I put a system called live liquid manure. I'm producing my own manure, boss, using egg, then all agriculture waste, cow dung, then even human urine, then cow urine. Use this and prepare a live liquid manure and supplying my farm, boss. My farm today actually sixth year, seventh year running is look like a 15 years old farm, boss. Next, see, boss, this is the system, live liquid manure system. Sir. Next. See, boss, I told you non-irrigation agriculture system for subsurface charging. This is whatever you see in the left side. No, that is called compartment bunding or trench and pit system. If the whole country, if we go with the concept, boss, our food and even water within 2-3 years, if the government taken through the line department, within 2 to 3 years, water and food problem easily we can solve. Right side, see, boss, after my construction, after my intervention, see the dry land. In the drought prone area, I implemented this. See the sunflower. Who called me useless fellow? Who called me Dandapinda? Who called me groundwater hunter? My wife is checking my work. Next, boss. But here you need a need and skill. See, boss, here one system called patta bunding. Why, in our country, all poor farmers, they don't have money. So here, if the farmer spend 200 or 300 per acre, crop is assured. Right, just left side you see in the drought 2008 in my native place, drought area, drought, severe drought. That time who taken my project in last year. So last year is previous year is stored lot of water in drought season. The crop we use the same water. See the people how they measuring the crop. Right side 2011 again severe drought. See the right side the crop, left side barren lands. Next. Like this, I am convincing the people to test my project. See, this is called earthen dam, alternative system for dams. This is a earthen dam, boss. In the 3 square kilometer catchment area, the stream, 150-meter width the stream, I put a earthen dam. Earthen, boss, soil damage, no concrete, nothing. I use 100% I use a soil here. 150-meter length, 22-meter base, 14-meter height, earthen bund I put it, and waste where the construction itself, which has lot of water, rain comes, was here with this, the project cost is 37 lakhs. I motivated them to 37 lakhs, 10 years, 10 villages, drinking water, agriculture problem, totally solved with earthen dam construction. Sir, in Vikarabad, Anantapur, in my farm, so many places I constructed this earthen dam is alternative system for check dams and dams. My vision is to even get together 10 farmers can do this. Maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, depend upon the width of the stream and catchment of the stream, boss. This itself we can solve our country's own drinking water, all the problem. But here, Department of Science, Department of Science actually oppose this. Ayyappa Masagi, if you put like this in every place in the stream, so dam will not get water, sea will not get water, urban will not get water. That is what we are not going to support this answer. Because of their ego, they actually, sir, rejected my project. Then I told them, today you are talking like this, sir. So I will not stop this project. I will take up with through the community. Then I started with community. But lot of hundreds of earthen dam and all. My request now today, all these check dam was all actually that bloody fools constructed the check dams all over the country. That I am converting into earthen dam cost. That is my project in the nationwide solution. Next, we are water surplus cost. No water, no rain deficit here. So whatever is no 30% of the total rain if you harvest, we're all become self-sufficient. This is called stream water harvesting, boss. Even less than 1 lakh, if you put the money, that's only put some trenches in this where the sand, no, you remove the sand up to the hard soil, put some polyurethane sheet, boss. In the stream, no, actually, two flows are there. One flow, surface flow, which is going surface flow. The government and other people are seeing working on the surface flow, but here need a lot of money, boss. But below surface, one hidden flow is there. Parallelly flow, one hidden flow. I am concentrating only hidden flow, boss. My this one have to minimum, I have to give a maximum benefit, boss. That first I put it in my native place. So I spent only 3 lakh. With 3 lakh, 500 acre today getting water, boss. 61 wells and borels fully recharged, boss. Earlier even 200 feet no water. Today above 70 feet you cannot drill in my native place with the stream water harvesting. What happened? No, below surface that hidden flow, no, I put actually, boss, one bund polyurethane sheet, boss. So water comes, whatever comes from water, it will further, it cannot move actually. Top, a lot of water is pressurizing, putting pressure. What happened? That pressurized water go with the banks, the bank of the rivers, both the side, 10 feet or 12 feet below. With this, we'll get the five total, sir, 61 wells within half an hour, sir. 61 wells will get full of rain. All the bores today, 1 kilometer, you can get water by in less than 70 feet. In native place, I constructed this in native place. With this, actually, sir, 8 villages drinking water are totally solved. For this, sir, I got a national award. Jamunalal Bajaj award, I got it in 2009, sir. Next, lake in lake. Even mostly in our country, lakhs of lakes, sir. All are actually, sir, silted up. Okay, all the lakes, boss, even 200, 300 acres lake, we cannot remove silt also, boss. Need crores of money. That is what, sir, I design a system called lake in lake. So people are government taken as a silting up, desilting, boss. That desilting, they will give only the chelas. They will start the wedge of the rain. They will do something little work. So then once the rain comes, they will say that we will done it and then get the money, boss. Claim the money. But there actually no size, no depth, no nothing, no monitoring, nothing. Here in my concept, boss, depend upon the water, this one's requirement, I will put a lake, sir. So idea is to put a small money, construct a lake. Then I'll show the success to next customer. One more lake, one more lake, sir. Over a period, whole lake is going to construct like this. The lake in lake. This actually Tata CSR, sir. So with this actually 18 villages drinking water are totally solved, sir, in Coorg area. Tata copy. See the lake in the lake. Water at 8 feet, sir. You can take water by hand from the borewell. The 8 villages drinking water. This project is solved, sir. Next. See, sir, don't be surprised. You are not rain deficit, boss. No rain. Actually, rain is happening, sir, but we are lacking behind the catching the rainwater. So, for example, I'm telling you, in 1 acre, sir, in Bangalore, 1,000 millimeter in area, every year from 1 acre, we are going to lose 18 lakh liters. This one, sir, 1 acre. Or one house, Bangalore, so 30, 40 roof area house, every year, 1,20,000 liters we are going to lose. 1 kilometer road was 1 kilometer road. Every year we are going to lose 3 crore liter. 1 square meter was 1 square meter road or 1 square meter roof. We can every year we can harvest 1,000 liters was. That's what we are not rain deficit was. So I told you, only 30% of the rain is to solve our water problem. Everybody seeing for only drawing, nobody seeing put back into the mother earth stomach is the problem today, sir. Next, see here, India's annual water wealth. Surface water, sir, collection from the rain is every year 68,990 TMC. Are you know the TMC meaning? Trillion million cubic meter. Are you understand? No. 1 TMC of water, boss. Through 1 TMC of water, we can harvest or grow 4,000 acres. Sugarcane, paddy grows up. 1 TMC or 11,000 acres commercial crops or 1 TMC water. If you want to send my farm to Bangalore, need 51 lakhs, 51 lakhs tankers, each 10,000 cubic meter. That is the meaning of TMC. We utilize 68,900 TMC. We use only 19,200 TMC. All other thing going into the sea bus. Today you harvesting only 3 to 4%, 97% going into the sea. That is what today sea is actually rising, sir. So in the 20th century already 11 inches has been increased, sir. The same thing, if you're not going to harvest the water bus, next in Singapore, even Chennai, Malaysia, we cannot see bus. Even groundwater well. Total water in the ground is 15,259 TMC. We use only, sir, 10,526 TMC. No another 4,100 TMC, 33 TMC water in the mother earth stomach. I'm not only telling solution to some problem bar, I'm saying thing parallel, I'm telling solution also. Today, the natural percolation is only 2 to 3%. If you increase 30 to 40% was, whatever this is falling, na, in that if you harvest 30 to 40%, we all become self-sufficient. To achieve this, we need to recharge all 4 LM, subsurface, subsoil, deep soil, groundwater. Soil is the soil is the world greatest reservoir. Soil is the world greatest reservoir by far. Any lakes, or streams, or nalas, or streams, and all the dams of the country, if you harvest rainwater and grey water. Next. See what this all the water conservation methods for house, bathing. One example I'm telling, sir, bathing, if you are using the shower, so 90 to 100 liters will go bath. If you take bath water, mug water, no, I think 20 liters is more than enough. And that too, boss, mug, no. So mug, I'm telling you my example. My son earlier taking bath, my wife put a 2 liter mug. Hours together taking bath earlier, boss. Then I fed up. Finally, I remove my this one that 2 liter mug. I put now half-liter mug, boss. Then 5 to 6 minutes you'll finish bath today. For example, shaving bath. So people are using running tap. 40 liters will go for one shaving bath. If that will take only mug andre, then go only maybe I think 0.5 liter. These are the water conservation baths actually. So one more example, if you want to see the result, most of the people are using today commode, no commode. Before going to sit on the commode, just to make it wet and go bath. So I think half. I think maybe I think 5 to 6 liters, 2 3 liters is more than a bath. And some people are there without going this, maybe even 2 tanks or 3 tanks. Flush is more, not clean the this that much sticky material. But just a silly idea, just to make it wet with the nozzle, go bath 2 to 3 liters more than how much you can shave and see this. Next, she was here. So I have 100 plus our own technique boss. That too actually people's willing. I'm working with the people's money, people resource. So I'm not expecting any government or any funds. I'm doing with the people. That's what people's willingness, affordability, volume of water or volume to be harvested. So, I will design a permutation combination or design it. And if you have any money constraint, go with phase wise, not with one time bar. You can go phase with and phase wise and become a self-sufficient. Next. So, boss, here see. Green is the average rain, red is the scanty rain, blue is the highest rain loss. Red is the scanty rain. See, year-wise, 100 years rain record I have. See, was average rain is not increased. Average rain is not changed, not much change. Average is same. Only change is rain falling days are changed. Earlier in my childhood, if you see the cloud, you'll get a sky. That time you'll get a rain. So today, the same rain was actually earlier 190 days, 180 days is rain happening. That today 180 days rain is actually now today 1 week, even one day also it happened and shown also. In Bombay, I think 2006 or 7 or last year, this year, I think one whole year rain happened in one day because of we done lot of destruction on the environment. That's why lakes, yeah, we enclosed the lakes. Earlier all the houses having grey water pit that we are closed. Water conservation, the water earlier actually people are bringing from the well. Today, what happened? Water coming to our place now. The tap and actually more than requirement water is coming, sir. That is what no conservation, but usage is more. That's what today we are facing problem. Boss, average is same. Only change is rainfall index are change. People are blaming only no rain, no rain. Rain is same, boss. Only change is rainfalling. Days are changed because of we done lot of destruction. Next, see, boss. Nationwide. These are all the nationwide solutions. If you go with this path, within 2 years, you can solve India's water problem and food problem. Next, we are working all the four sector boss. I'm not only working, we're all working. But we are working industry, urban, rural, and agriculture boss. So agriculture boss, 1 lakh acre already I converted dry land to wetland. 194 industries I made a self-sufficient boss. I am more concentrating on industry. Reason is my concept is convince the people who have money, who have land. Give benefit to don't have money, don't have land. For example, was today industry people are buying water. Of course, they are spending more money on water. Of course, they are paying money. But what happened now? They are stealing farmers' water. So if I made a industry made a self-sufficient, what happened? Boss? They stop buying water. Automatically, farmer will go for farming, and you can go food for sustainable food to our country, boss. So that is what more and more I am industry I am concentrating today, sir. Then villages also, boss. So villages I am offering for more and more CSR people. So lot of CSR supporting most DP World, even Juniper Network. I done through Juniper. I done lot of drinking water in villages. DP World also.
Sir, little louder, please.
DP World, sir. DP World, DP World also urban, sir. They are supporting urban people, sir. With the CSR since 5 years working in Chennai, CSR for villagers. Okay, then coffee, Tata Coffee also supporting for village drinking water. Industry, sir, industry are they are doing with their own. Agriculture also some, for example, Jeevadan, they are supporting for agriculture projects. Sir. So a lot of even 19 CSR people are supporting, companies are supporting me to do water conservation for villages. Okay, villages and drinking water, boss. So we are working all the four sector, even big industries. We are motivating them to spend their own money and own resource, boss. So lot of people, boss. Actually, even I am charging for them, boss. Actually, I'm earned through society, boss. So that money, actually, whatever earned in the society, same thing I'm putting into again society also. I conducted a training center, boss. I spent a 38 lakhs for training center in my farm to train more and more water warriors, educated farmers, and educated farmers. So on water soldiers was all the three groups I want to train. That is what I put a training center in my farm, sir. So there also now I'm bringing the set up a water in the same place, boss. Okay, next, next. So now I am interested to tell the technology, sir. So only simply tell is not enough. Technology, sir. Artificially groundwater recharging, surface water harvesting. I told you, so surface water harvesting, patta bending, compound bending, sand trenches, trench and pit system, tree-based agriculture, non-agriculture system, roof on the road rainwater harvesting mean. So here, non-irrigation agriculture mean without any canal water, well water, or borewell water, make use of rainwater and do agriculture is called a non-irrigation agriculture system, boss. For example, boss, this system compartment bending. So in and my farm is only 3.5 acre, boss. But in and around my 300 acre, some IT people are actually supported me. I with my matching grant and done for 300 acres compartment bending work. Earlier, even no agriculture doing work. Today, 100% people are doing agriculture. So earlier, I have a lot of area to grazing my cows. Today, even 1 inch very difficult to get a grazing my cows pass. Okay, I know that much actually water got the water charged into the soil pass. People are put more and more people are doing agriculture and tree-based agriculture. After seeing my tree-based agriculture, I put in 3.5 acre. I put more than 4,000 plants, even medium term, short term, and long-term crops was the tree-based agriculture I put up. A lot of in and around my people are actually doing with their own. That is actually the drastic change that I need, boss. Okay, roof rain harvesting, sir. More than 35,000 houses done a roof water harvesting in the country, sir. Road rainwater harvesting, boss. If 1 kilometer road, we can harvest, boss, 3 crore liter every year. Maybe I think the expenses, maybe I think the project cost maybe I think 20 lakhs. Then more than 300 apartments. Then more than 59 villas, 193 industries. Then hundreds of layouts I made. Self-sufficient, boss. Patta bunding and all actually more than 1 acre, sir. Patta bunding. If farmers spend only 500 rupees per year, the crop is assured, boss. In compartment binding also can, with that also can, boss, you can assured crop. Then trench and pit system is a wonderful concept. I took a land, was actually 20 acres lease land. There I put a trench and pit system. Everywhere you can see a overflow, boss. But a trench and pit system, you cannot see overflow. What happen? All the water go into the Mother Earth stomach. Once the Mother Earth soil actually, once the saturation reaches, it actually start moving to low-lying area. That means you'll go to lakes or even nalas and rivers. Once you go with the trench and pit system in the whole country, boss, our lakes, streams, our rivers, all the streams, boss, and all the 365 days you can see water in the river, boss. All the 12 months will flow. You can go with the trench and pit system. This also actually DSP, actually the Department of Science and Technology, DST actually opposed. But why, no one will go for detail, boss. I know this one, boss. Actually, this one, whatever, all hundreds of I've done this, boss. Whatever, nearby lakes, nearby rivers or streams are flowing, boss, nalas are flowing. Subsoil water charging, boss. Stream water harvesting, lake in lake, well recharging, lakes, ponds, earthen dams. These are all the subsurface, boss. Then online filter for individual houses, boss. Or even this one, boss. Actually, filters. Call gallery type filtration unit. So my concept is bottom to top was. All the people are doing only top to bottom concept. I am doing bottom to top approach. First I'll send raw water into the bottom, then bringing top, filter it and filter water going into the sump or borewell or well. Next. See, boss, lake. My concept is 1 acre, 100 acres, 1 acre lake must, boss. Or 1 hectare, 1 gunta. That means 2.5 acre, 1 gunta, 30 by 30 place. If you are reserve under, then become self-sufficient. Here, the lake is just like our heart, boss. Lake is just like our heart. What happen now? That lake will take all the muddy water, filter it, and sending it all 360-degree, sending water to wells and borewell. Here, adapting two concepts. One is percolation methods. If more and more deep tank lake was charging until going indirectly, then over and above, instead of sending into the sea, partial water, I am injecting into the bore well. So these are the percolation method and injection method, boss. What happen even subsoil also, all the four will get charged with the lake type borewell recharging, one of the concept. In the name of the borewell recharging, I constructed more than 900 lakes all over the country. Next. See, boss, I told my concept is bottom to top. See, all the raw water, according to your catchment area, according to your requirement, I will decide a lake, boss. See, collect. Okay, only construction or side construction, bottom no. Bottom will put jelly, water percolating. See, water I'm sending into the 12 feet below. Okay, then I'm bringing this one top. Coming top and recharging into the borewell is the concept. My concept is top to bottom, bottom to top. My concept is bottom to top concept. Next. Boss, actually in Karnataka, 2000 villages are having acute drinking water problem, boss. I have a solution for this. Pilot project for Hubli level, boss. So in 2000 villages, Hubli level, we'll do one project, boss. We'll do one project. So turnkey basis, we'll do it. Definitely, sir, result is actually 400% is guarantee. Okay, then we'll call all the neighboring villages, our neighboring people, neighboring Taluka people call them, all government departments, all CSR call them, show them. Then next village, neighboring village are coming forward, boss. There we will not do anything, boss. We'll give only technical support. We'll survey. We'll do only monitoring. In that village, we'll train the water warriors. Water warriors. They will take care, sir. 4 5 people. For them, we'll give some awards and competitor. But here we need a more and more CSR support, boss. Pilot project at Hubli level. Our community rainwater harvesting. This is for solve the drinking water, even agriculture problem also can solve with this project much. So that is the community rainwater harvesting project, was new project. Already Niti Ayog, I think you know Niti Ayog, they are sanctioned 2 projects in Yadgir and Raichur, 2 projects. There will do it and definitely, sir, I'll become this one person. There no question of failure, sir. So that I will spread through the this one Niti Ayog will be taken all over the country, boss. Next, next. Hello, hello. Next, sir. Okay. So same thing I have replication. I told you, no, sir. I call them and show the success. All CSR partners, your community, government, and we will survey, sir. The individual on their own property have to do. Individual do their own property. Financial aid will by WLF through CSR funds, sir. Entire village will take care of this. So then only I can reach the whole country was. If you start to implementing, I cannot reach was. That's what. Now I started this community authority. The concept I put as one more concept, sir, with the community. So the people should take care of their own implementation, but some deduct some money and give it the whole money to them also, sir. Entire village will take care of the responsibility of implementation, sir. WLF only monitoring the activities. That's all. Next. Okay, sir. To achieve this or to spread the message, I wrote a book, sir. Already a book here, Bhagirath, War on Water, War on Water Crisis, Converting Dryland to Wetland. So 7 books I wrote, boss. Then I put this one, sir, Jala Samruddhi Training Center. So all the people or even project people, this one, sir, bring them, give a in-house training. Then I put in 22 acres all live demonstration in my farm, boss. Give a training, in-house training, then show them why one NGO or one person cannot do whole country, boss. So I want to train more and more water warriors, we call, sir, who are ready to take up as a occupation. They should learn and they start their own on the concept. Now I started training center, boss. In the training center also, boss, below actually 72 by 22 below actually 4 lakh liter rainwater collection sump I constructed. Above the sump I put a 70,000 liter sump for irrigation, boss. Why not? They're all the models, live models to trainees, boss. Anybody can come and see this one. Okay. 2019, sir, June 15th, I inaugurated the training center, boss. So already 9 programs. Before this one, 9 programs, 100, 150 people can accommodate. Then all can stay, food, accommodation, everything I put up there, boss. Even LCD, even big cameras, everything I put it there. Even hot water bath, then discussions, their problems, then all even labor problem, everything will discuss. That's what I will call a Saturday evening. Then evening only programs, bath discussion. Sunday bath, even people. Then exposure visits. It is in actually near Tumkur. From Bangalore, it is a 72 kilometers. We are charging 1,500 rupees per person, boss. With that, even food accommodation and 500 rupees worth the book and giving. This is the concept today. Yes, sir. Next. So this is the training center, all trainees. Even here, water resource management team visited, Jal Shakti team visited, then the World Bank team visited, and even Vice President daughter Deepa also with the family service at my farm, and he appreciated our concept. Boss. She want to take up in whole the Nellore area. I want to take the, they want to take my concept. Boss. This is Jalasampati training centers below 4 lakh liters something there. Over and above, will go to the my farm 189 feet in Borodika. So with this year, more than 6 crore liter I harvested and kept into Mother Earth stomach in the 3.5 acre area. Boss. Again, this year, sir, again 1 more crore liter to harvest. I constructed a chaukas in my 4 acres farm, sir. Tadrupi Kadu or even tree-based agriculture. Totally, sir, 6 crore liter I kept in my Mother Earth stomach today. Yes, next. So these are all my CSR partners. Tata Coffee, Deep Road, Jeevadan, Life University, Anantgram, Shai Export, ACC, IT companies, Juniper Network, NABARD, and Deshpande Foundation. Sir. Next. See, sir, now projects. So everybody blaming no rain, boss. See here, 2018 actually, sir, totally severe drought. Even that is the only year, sir, my lakes are not going to filled. But all the even 7 years, sir, all the 6 hours or 6 years, my lake has been overflown. Sir, 2018 severe drought, 2019 26 May, sir, maybe, sir, highest heavy rain happened in my farm, sir. So all whole year 2018 rain happened in 26 May, sir. That day itself, the minimum, sir, 3 crore liter harvested, sir. 2018, my farm became a total, sir, even 4,000 plants, no single leaves. So I thought that my farm is gone, and the boss. If I use any chemical manure, sir, definitely it will gone. But I did not use any chemical. I am totally hardcore Savaiva, even organic farmer, sir. After 26 May, sir, now today is a look like a, sir, coastal area farm, sir. Even single tree not died, sir. So after that, I found actually systems are not enough for that. Then this year, I constructed a lot of chaukas, lot of even, sir, neighboring land, 300 acres, then a compound building, sir. Now in future, sir, never get the my borel, sir. That is what I am investing more and more in my farm today. I treat it as a agriculture is an industry, sir. So I put a 38,000 my training center, sir. Even I have a loan on 8 lakhs on me, sir. Even though, sir, now, sir, I'm setting up a cow with this one was goat and sheep farm. I told you, no, it is an industry. I treat it as an industry. So 100 by 100, sir. I'm putting goat farm and even sheep farm. Then open grazing poultry also I'm going to put, sir. And that means I have to produce every day, sir. So it's become a model was. So with small land, so you are not required more and more big land, sir. With a small land, how much you can, what you can do, and then what farmer can do. That I taken up research, and I am totally now I succeeded once. I'm successful entrepreneur today, sir. These are all the agriculture department people, boss. These are my farmer. Next, next, next. See, boss. All my system, boss. This right side, bottom, no, where I sitting. That is actually Forbes India, sir. Actually, Forbes India, they wrote about me. So one page, and even they put a sustainable change maker photo gallery exhibition in Delhi. These are all my lakes. This year, last year, today, till today, sir, you can see like this. Next. See here, boss. Jalihal, Badami, Manasankari, the drought famous for drought, sir. 11 years, no water to drink. I convinced him and motivated him to spend 10 lakhs, boss. Big, very big catchment areas, all hilly area. If you receive one incident, boss, hundreds of crores later passing through nearby land. There I put a earthen dam. Why, the Nala in the below, land is up. That's what I raised the, put a earthen dam, raised this one was taking into his farm boss. If I charge his farm boss, because he spent 10 lakh, hundreds of neighboring farmers, borers are full of water today. Now you tell me, where is the problem? Problem not with the water, not with the rain. Only problem with community attitude is the main constraint. Even political attitude, government's attitude, community attitude is the main constraint to solve our water problem. Next. See, boss, same Jalihar program, lakes. When the system is called open sometimes, see the water is falling, how is falling from the Nala. Next, see the borewell yield after one rain, one good rain. June 23rd of June 19, 2019, June 23rd, see the borewell, borewell behavior. Next, see sir, Jalgaon in between Pune and Solapur. There have a bridge was actually abandoned bridge. Now government constructed a new bridge. So there I put a just 1.5 lakhs, sir, 200 feet, then 10 feet height. Against the bridge, I put a one wall, just to wall boss. With this, 4 is drinking water, even all dry wells and wells full of water, so one good drain. During construction, the police, actually, they thought that they're spoiling the bridge. And then actually, they arrested me, putting in a jail, sir. Putting in the police station. All SAG women came station with the broom, sir. If you will not leave him, we will beat you, sir. Then next day, actually, they are release me, sir. So after 1 month, good drain happened, sir. See the open well, borewells who are supported. So one put one pump, sir, the water is getting. The 4 is drinking water agriculture solved with 1.51 lakhs. Tell me where is the problem. Next. See, sir, open well started work going in my native place, my own well. There I put a stream water, sir. When the stream comes after 2 hours, see the behavior of the well, boss. Where the people are standing now, in that well, sir, bottom, woofing the water, boss, woofing the water. And finally, overflow, sir. Where is the problem? Tell me. Next, I spend only 60,000 rupees. Here, boss, the well become dry. No water in the well since 10 years. Nearby, I think, maybe I think 50 meters away, I put a one lake, sir, who actually draw water indirectly, In that borel, I charge, boss. See, once the good rain comes, see water in the well, sir. The well dry up because of this borewell. I recharge the borewell, see the success in the borewell, sir. You can see me in the well. In this context, sir, in this one, sir, with this guarantee, I'm telling, with confidence challenge I'm working, sir. If you spend this much money, you can, this much days, I can give you this much water. Next. So I told you, sir, Forbes India. Actually, Forbes India wrote about me, sir. Forbes India. This is the, I got actually Swachh Bharat Mission Award, sir. Through Juniper, I done some research in Hoskote district, sir. They have put me actually water, Dr. Water. They put in on some paper, sir. I got a Swachh Bharat Award, sir. Next. See what Jala Shakti, Water Ministry, sir. Jala Charcha. They wrote about me, sir. They are given a program. So they wrote about me like this, sir. Next. So this is all my track record, sir. Now is more. This is my track record. Next. Numbers every day changing, sir. So my work has been national, international, even locally also, sir. I got this award. So Ashoka, I am Ashoka Fellow, sir. National award, state level, all other awards, sir. Now I am expecting the Padma Bhushan, sir. Next. These are my testimonials, sir. Even Pollution Control Board chairman he also wrote about me, sir. Here, must we have a. So I think he all read, sir. This is all my testimonials and inspirations. Next, sir. Next. So these are all our customers, client list. Big client list is a very big, sir. So already 900, 9,000 locations. Sir. I done this 900 locations. These are my clients. Even note printing, sir, in Mysore. There are certain Tata, Galaxy. Next, sir, Wipro, Kenametal. Next, sir, even Pepsi I done, sir. Next, Titan, sir, Givaudan. Even DRDO I done, sir. No Nordis, Titan, Volvo, sir. Next,
So probably we
Very
take few questions, sir. That will be
no problem.
because
No.
participants would definitely like to know many
See, sir,
questions.
this is Kalyani we call, sir, actually. Kalyani. No. This is the Kalyani in a drought prone area in black cotton soil where the only salty water, no, sir. There I put a Kalyani. So many Kalyanis in my native place, drought prone area, North Karnataka, sir. So water, see, why, they're actually well also all actually salty water, sir. So I'm harvesting here only subsurface water, putting patta bending, even compartment bending. So charging this Kalyani, sir. All the 12 month people will get water, sir. Thanks for watching and your time, sir. Next. Next. This you called a step well, sir. Kalyani, a step well. This is my address, sir. You want to go with the Google, no? Put just my name, Ayyappa Masagi. You will get all my folders, sir. Or even Ayyappa videos, Ayyappa Masagi videos. You can see, sir. Then Facebook, WhatsApp. Lot of information you can get it. Okay. Next. Next, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, the presentation is over.
Go on. Can you put one more video, sir? Last video. One more video is there, no? Destruction video.
Yeah, I think.
If you are not taken care today, rain.
Do we
Tomorrow
have?
you have to get it.
Yes, sir. We'll have to check if we have the. We have. I mean,
Okay, the summary is like this, sir. If you are today taken care of that rain today, then tomorrow you can become self-sufficient. If you are not taken
okay
today,
with, the video for.
huh?
नागेश जी अब आप जरा कंडक्ट
Hello.
कर दीजिए क्वेश्चंस का.
Hello. I hope it's enough.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's enough, no?
Yes, no, this is not enough. This
Not
is,
enough.
This is not enough.
That one, so many. If you are ready, then I am ready to even nights together you can speak, sir. Months together you can speak, sir.
This is the beginning of warriors.
Okay,
This is
beginning.
not
Yeah,
enough.
yeah.
This is the beginning of warrior. You have done an excellent job in a magical way. You have done in a magical way, and you are guided the water, and you guided the nature, you guided the system, you guided the people, you guided the everyone for the future. And this is
Loudly, sir. You was loudly.
yeah. Please, you have done excellent job. You are
Thank
done. This is your magical job. You have done a magic on the form of water, turn
Yeah.
around every nature, and every you got everything which is the very useful technique, and without any huge construction, without any foreign material derived from anywhere. This is the very wonderful technique. Everybody is know to how to control the phenomena with the natural resources and the in situ resources. Not
Yeah.
only natural resources, in situ resources. You have done a wonderful utilization for that, and it is a low costing system. It is low cost.
Cost is there. No, cost is there, sir. Definitely cost will be there. That too affordable cost.
Yes, yes. This is the affordable cost and understandable cost and the future
Yeah.
cost, and it is a
One
wonderful.
time investment, sir. That one time.
Yes.
Minimum, negligible,
Yes.
easily replicable systems.
Yes, and you have controlled the evaporation also. And
Yes, no evaporation, sir. My concept is we have to put more and more into the mother earth's stomach.
Yes,
Then no evaporation, nothing, boss. If keep
Yes,
it open,
yes,
I think all evaporates, sir. That's what I
Yes.
told you, no?
Yes.
Soil is the world largest reservoir, sir.
yes,
Greatest reservoir
yes,
by
yes,
far. Any lakes, rivers, streams, to all the dams of the country.
yes. Soil,
That's what the my concern is more and more keep it to the mother earth stomach. Once
Yes.
the mother earth stomach, sir, once this one, sir,
yes,
saturation reaches, what happen? It starts whooping, sir. It starts
Yes.
flowing, sir. Charging, progressively charging, sir. If
Yes.
whole country, if you go with my concept,
yes,
is it possible to come this one, sir? Possible, no, sir. Become a self-sufficient or even more water-rich country, no, sir?
Your technique is not barrier for any country. You are utility for the all over world even.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are,
Can I ask you one question?
Please.
please.
Yeah, I'm Balkrishna Kanekar from Mumbai.
You are from Bombay.
Yeah. I'm Gautam's father. Yeah.
Go to father.
See,
Tell me.
we get lot of rains in Mumbai and around
Sir,
area around that.
sir, I done a lot of work in Bombay, sir. Parli area, Bombay area. I done lot of work, sir, in Bombay also, sir. There are lot of rain happening and washing away, sir. Okay. Tell me,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
tell me.
the problem here is that in area around Mumbai, this is totally hilly area. It is Sahyadris, and you get lot of rain. I think it is something which is more than enough. You are
Correct.
asking for 30%. We will be utilizing hardly 10% of the total rain. What I feel.
2-3%, 2-3%.
Yes, exactly.
Only 2-3. Natural population 2-3%, sir.
Yeah. Now the problem here is that the villages in the peripheral area of Mumbai,
Hmm.
the acute problem they are facing in there for the drinking water in the month of maybe April, May, and some
Okay.
part of June. Even though
Okay.
they are getting maximum rainfall, they are getting maximum water during the rainy season and all those things. Everything is washed away to this thing. So do you
Maximum
have?
running off, sir. Maximum water is running off to sea in Bombay.
Yes, exactly. So do you even if you see in the month of May, their bore wells go dry, the wells go dry, and the ladies have to travel for at least 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, the way you were traveling, and even I used to travel in my childhood to my native place to fetch water from 2 to 3 kilometers. That is what the
So
practicality even in some of the areas.
okay, sir. I'm disturbing you. Just wait, sir. 1 minute. So in Bombay, Parli, I think you know Parli area.
Parli is Mumbai city. Parli is a dry area which is not in Mumbai. It is
Okay,
near the
correct.
Marathwada.
Okay, sir. I am coming from Bombay only, sir. Parli area in Sun Valley. Sun Valley, one project is there. Sun Valley. There, sir, I've done my project, sir. Maybe 30% to hilly area. In 70%, there also a lot of soil is there. There are the same problem, sir. No water to drink, actually, sir. There, after my intervention, I think if you want, I can send a photo. Then one bore, sir, without public, simply water coming, sir. They put now only submersible pump, sir. You know, submersible pump, well, they're putting pump now. Same pump they're putting and drawing water in Parli area. So I
But what
demonstrated and done so many projects in Bombay also, sir. Bombay in and around.
you have done to increase the water level in that particular case?
Yes, sir. Why no? All the area I done water harvesting, sir. Compartment building, pit system, lakes are constructed. That is what today the wells are simply whooping. Water is whooping from the borewell.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Sir,
I'll try to.
first I have to do survey, sir. One survey is required. One time I have to visit the place,
So
understand the problem.
how much you charge for the surveys and all?
Sir, surveys normally I charge the travel charges, sir. Up and down travel and food and accommodation. So
Okay.
maximum, sir, any amount of area, sir, maximum I'm charging actually 40,000. Minimum means it's a 10,000 minimum, sir. Up to 20-25 acres, sir, I'm charging 15,000 rupees. After that, sir, 30,000 rupees. Maximum, sir, if you have even 200 acres, I'm charging only 40,000 rupees. 2 days or 3 days, I only charge 40,000 rupees. I am seeing only for my survival, sir. My team survival, sir. I have a team today. If I do free, so earlier people are actually expecting me, sir. That is what I'm charging, sir. Once the charge, so genuine people will come, sir. In our country, if money andre, people will open their eyes. If no money andre, simply exploited, sir. That's what I'm charging today, sir, to test their heartbeat. That's all.
Okay. Okay, let us see what best we can do out of it. We have a couple of cases where we have traveled to the villages, nearby villages. They were
Sir,
facing
village
this.
also can do, sir. No problem. For village, I'm charging only for 25,000 rupees, sir. For one village. 25,000 rupees. For that, I'll do a survey. Okay, sir. I'll give a budget estimation. One presentation to all decision makers. Then exposure visit if you are interested.
Okay.
So I'm charging
Okay.
only for 20,000 one village. First, that's all.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Sanjay ji, should I interact now?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
आप फिर रवि सर. हाँ.
Namaskar, Ayyappa sir. Thanks for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you.
you are really created the revolution. So that should be implemented everywhere, wherever possible. I have observed 2-3 things, sir, I would want to discuss. One is that you talked about some sheep and then goats farming.
Yeah.
That means the grasslands. So in that case, are you working or should we think upon working on the cow, the Indian
Cow
desi
also.
cow?
I
Because
have
the
desi cow,
Indian
8
cow
cows.
revolution would also, yes, sir.
Sir, 8 cows, desi cows I have, sir. 8 cows I have, sir.
Very good, sir. Very good.
Yeah, I'm using
Great.
that urine and dung using for live liquid manure.
Okay. And the other
how-
idea, okay. Yes, sir. That's great. So that means the revolution which is going on for the desi cow, that can be integrated with this water.
Yeah, you should,
machine,
sir,
and,
actually. You should.
then we can have a great integrated system. Another idea is that, sir, probably you know that there is a large scale the unused that means untreated wastewater. So wastewater is another
Great.
big issue, challenging.
And grey water, bath water, no, actually.
Black water,
Bath water is,
black water, grey water, black water.
that system, black water, not black water, only bath water, not black water.
Huh,
Bath
but,
water.
but
You're
my
taking
point
bath
is, my point is that even the sewage water can
Allah.
be treated, and then that can also be integrated for the
Allah.
horticulture.
No, sir. You have to segregate it from the black water, sir. There, what happened? You are mixing the bath water and your black water. You have to segregate. Segregate the bath water, sir. Bath water and kitchen water.
atla darwaza.
Okay.
Black water, I am not using black water. Black water sending into the soil, sir.
Black water cannot be sent to the soil, but it can be used for
No, sir.
horticulture
Black
after
water,
the treatment.
no. Costly, sir. No, very costly. You have to go
No,
for.
we are. Please listen me. We are working on low cost methods for sewage treatment.
Black water.
Okay,
Black
so
okay.
black water. So I think we have to develop say holistic solutions. And
Okay,
for that purpose, but this is not a single day work. And your idea of water university.
Allah, sir.
That is
That
quite
is, sir.
fascinating.
No.
I'm
Black
a-
water.
Okay.
1 minute, sir. Black
Yes.
water, no, you need actually, sir, this one, wetland. You need more areas, sir. Wetland.
Yes,
You have
yes.
to create a wetland and do that with possible, but there actually, sir, money and land required, sir. Lot of land
Yes, yes.
required.
I agree. I
Land
agree.
is there, definite.
Yeah.
I already so many places I've done this actually, sir, with
Okay.
this one actually, sir. But
Yes.
that system is actually wetland creation, no? If then that I done in for dairies, wetland
There
creation.
is. Yeah.
Dairy, a lot of wastewater coming, no? So all
Okay.
smell water. So there I use actually wetland, this one.
Okay. Wetland kind of system. Yeah.
Wetland, I have solution, but no doubt, but
Yeah.
people are to spend excess money required, sir. That is what.
But there is a mandatory requirement. There is a mandatory requirement in everywhere in the world. So at least they have to follow some kind of treatment facilities for that also. And
Now the grey water already actually Jal Shakti taken, I think already Rajasthan and Gujarat people, government is doing now actually that my concept, grey water harvesting they are adopting in Rajasthan and all actually.
I think
Right.
we have Ajay Kumar Singh ji from Jal Shakti Ministry. He can also add something to it. Ajay ji, please.
Yeah.
He is a committee member of from the ministry.
Ajay ji is
Ajay ji,
here.
आप इस पर कुछ
Ajay ji, अच्छा,
Ajay Singh ji?
is there. Ajay Kumar Singh ji.
और उसके बाद में रवि नंबियार जी अपना कुछ बात कहना चाह रहे थे. रवि नंबियार जी एंड स्वाति कुमारी.
Oh,
जो
okay, sir,
रवि जी
thank you
आप
very
बोल रहे
much.
थे.
I'm
Point?
leaving, sir. Okay, thank you very much. And sir, I will contact
Up
you.
point हो गया, sir?
The idea for the world, the water university is great. Okay, so
Yeah,
I'm
sir.
in the academia.
I need
I
support. No, I need support like you, people like you. I
Sure,
need a
sir.
lot of support for you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much.
I put a training center, already putting center, everything is there, sir. Setup is there, but all documentation. You have to make a documentation and all. Building, everything is
Okay.
there.
हाँ, अजय सिंह सर.
Thank you.
मैं कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
This is regarding closed mines. I'm from mining. I worked for a long time for the coal mining. So I'm just
Coal mines.
I'm drawing your attention. These closed mines, there are two type of mining we are doing: open cast mining and underground mining. And after mines are closed, there are huge capacities are available in terms of the open pits and the underground cavities. So do you think that these cavities can be used for storing water? They are huge cavities. And
Yeah, definitely.
If it can be used, then what is the safe depth for the open pit reservoirs? Open pit reservoirs, there's a limit actually. We can depth. What should be the optimum depth?
Now, what is the depth, sir? Now, how
Pardon?
much depth you went? In coal mining, how much depth you went?
It goes up to 500 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter.
Depth. I think a lot of water is there in that. In the,
Yeah, open pits are there. Underground, there are big cavities actually. Underground, long and big cavities,
I think
kilometers.
quality, sir. Quality, I think is not good. No, 500 meter means quality not good or good.
Yeah,
Quality.
yeah. Because there was some studies and they are suggesting restricting the depth.
First, I have to visit, sir. Actually, then I can definitely have a solution.
Okay, I will write to you. I will write to you.
Please, sir. Why not? One visit to one with my own open, sir. Actually, with my own eyes, I see and there. Then definitely I have a solution, sir. But
Because they have Jal Shakti Mantralaya has taken up this mining, management, water management in the mines.
Yeah. Definitely, sir. Then Goa and all actually done a lot of work. This was Goa mines area.
So
I done a lot of work.
They conducted a program last time, so they are looking for some more inputs actually in this regard.
Hello, sir. Once I visit now, definitely I can give my report in that.
Okay, I will contact you.
Definitely I have solution. I have a solution. Definitely solution, but I have to see once my. I want to understand the much problem, sir, area wise. Okay, then I will definitely, sir.
रवि नंबियार जी और स्वाति. Next, please. रवि, आप कुछ पूछना चाह रहे थे? रवि नंबियार?
No, his question is over. His question is over.
Okay. नागेश जी, आप ले लीजिए आप.
Ayappa, sir. Hello.
Preeti, yeah.
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. It was very nice. Your presentation was extremely good, and I would like to meet you sometime.
I have a lot of this one is.
Absolutely, you have done so much of work. Each work will have a story.
ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜನ ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ ಅವರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ.
No, this is sufficient. Yes. So now I'm there with you for the water literacy university. What you're thinking, because this has always been thought. It's always there in my thoughts. Now I will definitely come and meet you sometime. Any Wednesday or Thursday, if you give me the time, I'll come and meet you.
Most of the time you are in the Bangalore?
Right now, yes. Otherwise, I travel.
Then you give me your phone number, no? Phone number.
Oh, yes. I have taken your phone number from the presentation.
Please.
And I will call you. Any Wednesday or Thursday, I would like to come and meet you. You give me an appointment.
This Wednesday, no?
Huh.
So I'll mark this Wednesday or Thursday you are planned to meet me, no?
That I'll coordinate. Any questions, Bhutosh ji or any other thing? Any questions, please? Bhutosh ji or Vinita ji or anyone? This is only the first session. We will keep continue.
Yes.
Sir will again come.
Yeah.
He'll come again and again to train us. Nagesh ji, अब आप summarize कर लीजिएगा.
Thank you very much, Ayyappa ji. Ayyappa's name is God.
Yeah. A lot of people like this are telling like this. A lot of people are like this.
Yeah. And
then wherever I go, the rain will come on, sir. Wherever I go, no, their rain will get on. So people will got rain, sir.
Ayyappa is very close to rainwater and groundwater, and he's playing a very good role. मैं मतलब सभी जो पार्टिसिपेंट हैं यहाँ पर, उन लोगों ने जिस तरीके से अय्यप्पा जी ने जिस तरीके से सब चीज़ को समझाया है, वो एक कैरियर के फॉर्म में या एक हर चीज़ के फॉर्म में देखने के लिए बात अपने को समझने वाली बात है, क्योंकि अय्यप्पा जी का जो एक्सपीरियंस है उसको हमको अब अपने ग्राउंड लेवल पे लाना है और सबके साथ में इस तरह का कोऑर्डिनेशन रखना है, क्योंकि अय्यप्पा जी ने तो अपना काम कर दिया है और अय्यप्पा जी अपना काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग जो लोग इसको सुन रहे हैं, जो देख रहे हैं, जो समझ रहे हैं, उनकी अब ड्यूटी होती है कि कंट्री में इस तरह की चीज़ों को खूब फैलाएं और अय्यप्पा जी का जो पूरा जो ड्रीम है, उसको जो सपना है, उसको हम आगे लेके जाएं ताकि लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसका फ़ायदा मिले। और इसको हम लोग किस तरीके से बात करना है, इसको हम एक लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग जो इतना भी अय्यप्पा जी ने जो बात कही है कि एक ग्रे वाटर के ट्रीटमेंट की बातचीत की है, लेकिन अगर हम उसको ब्लैक वाटर के साथ में ब्लैक वाटर को पहले ग्रे वाटर में कन्वर्ट करें और ग्रे वाटर को फिर ग्राउंड वाटर में कन्वर्ट करें, तो ये चीज़ को बहुत आसानी से हम लोग उस चीज़ को भी एक स्टेप आगे लेके जाएंगे। एक और जियो मेम्ब्रेन्स के बारे में आई वांट सजेस्ट जियो मेम्ब्रेन्स सर, सब जियो मेम्ब्रेन्स टेक्निक।
No, sir, I don't like geomembranes also. I don't like.
Yeah. So
Not required, sir. So I
Yeah.
have a local solution, sir. Local available material
no.
we are using.
Yeah. For the ocean.
Geomembranes and all actually, sir. Immediately the choke. System
Yeah.
is going
No,
to choke.
for the saline water and fresh water, it is a partition.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am talking about the saline water and fresh water for the participation. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Not for the gray water and brown water. It is a barrier for the salinity.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Not till today, sir. Not yet use geomembranes, sir.
No.
I'm not using a geomembrane.
Yeah.
Not at all used. Okay.
For the barrier for the saline water.
Okay, sir. You are the research. I don't know. Okay, sir.
So this is the one more utility for your technique, and इसको अपन लोग को बहुत अच्छे से समझना है। और अय्यप्पा जी का जो फार्म हाउस है, उसको हमको एक बार विजिट करना है कलेक्टिव फॉर्म में, ताकि हम लोग ग्राउंड लेवल पे बात कर सके। और अय्यप्पा जी का जो यूनिवर्सिटी का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसको हमको आगे उतारना है, जिसको कि हम आगे समझते हैं जिस चीज़ को, और कंट्री में जिस तरीके का उन्होंने एक फीलिंग लाया है, जिस तरह का फॉलो अप लाए और अकेले ने काम किया है। ही डन ए लॉट एज ए इंडिविजुअल आर्मी। Is it right?
Not in on team, sir. I have a team. I am not individual now. We have a team.
You are,
he has a big team. He has a very good team.
Yeah.
Ajay Singh sir, आप बोलते जाएंगे?
Yeah. No, pardon. 29 people are staff, 100 people labors.
Yeah. It is not
100 labors I have. 29 staff.
It is not sufficient for the work. You have your concept is more important.
Yeah.
Your concept is more important.
Concept is one army, sir. Concept is one army.
Yes, your concept is one army, and the follow-up is a few people. This is not a sufficient, but you have done a lot, and you have spread a lot, and we are.
No, sir. I want to go with the community, sir. Community should come forward.
Yeah.
So I want to transform the community to water warriors.
Yeah.
Transforming community into water warriors.
Very good.
So today what happened? No, I want to this was balancing the water usage and water replenishment. Then translating community into water warriors. Translating into community into water warriors.
Very good.
Community should take up this, sir. Not only government and not only this, sir. This is by the community, for the community, to the community. Then only our country problem will solve, sir. One army or one person or one prime minister, no, not possible, sir. Possible with only community, only people, by the people, for the people, to the people.
Yes, this is the constitution. This is the constitution created by you. And this is the water constitution created by you.
Thank you.
अजय सिंह सर कुछ और बोलना चाह रहे हैं नागेश जी?
Please carry on. अजय जी बोलिए। अजय भाई साहब बोलिए।
अजय जी कुछ
आप you continue. No, I don't want to say anything. You continue.
Fine. तो complete sum up कर दीजिए आपका, हो गया time नागेश।
I am very thankful to Ayyappa ji. And your valuable time given to our team, and this मतलब यहाँ पर जो लोग बाग अभी हाल पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे, वो कंट्री से बहुत सारी जगह से सुन रहे थे आपको, और मतलब फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड, राजस्थान एंड बॉम्बे, महाराष्ट्र.
Delhi. I am from Delhi.
Delhi also, sir. Huge opportunity, sir, to do Delhi. If anybody come forward, I am ready to this one, sir. Open office in Delhi.
Okay. I am ready to help whatever help is needed.
No. Anybody is interested to open office, I will support you, sir. Full time, I will support you.
Yeah, I have
huge opportunity, Delhi.
I have an office here. You can use my office as your office.
Sir, all everything is only I give only concept and programs. implementation and all actually, sir, taken by you only, sir. You people.
Yes, yes, I think he is right. Appa sir is right that local person must have to take lead. Sir
Yeah,
will be there to
lead.
guide. Yes.
I am only facilitator.
Yes, yes, surely, surely. Yes.
Yeah.
We need local persons to take the lead
Yes.
either in setting up the training institutes or the branches.
Branch, sir. What
Yes,
about implementation, sir? Apartments, villas, even agriculture
thank you all.
land, industries. I'll give technical support, sir.
Yeah. This is the fun between this is the employment and this is the technique.
Yes.
And we are very much obliged, Ayappa on this.
Thank you.
We are very much obliged.
Yeah, water literacy.
Job as a citizen, I respect you and hats off. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone.
And I wish actually that he should get the Padma Vibhushan very at the earliest.
Yes, he deserves. He deserves.
I don't know, sir. Last year actually shortlisted. Last year.
Our best wishes that you should
In fact,
get.
Sir, in fact, the medal should be too happy if it goes to sir.
No. I'm not working for award, sir. No, whatever the community given award now, sir, that is a big award for me. I'm not working for award, sir. Award is all ongoing, sir, coming and going. So
And
awards,
sir, we shall be developing an army of lakhs of people for you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Army of 70 lakhs, 70 lakhs people we have to train, sir. It's a big
Yes,
mission.
sir. Please, you support me, sir. I definitely will motivate them and train them. Okay. So I want to produce more and more Ayappa Maskis.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are the guardian.
So I want to live after my death.
Yes. we will ensure that.
That is only my concept.
Okay, with this we sum up, sir. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.
I think within the time we are finished, I think. No?
Yes, very much in time. Shall
We
be in
are
touch.
on the.
Gautam, आप complete कर दीजिए meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.